Trafficking is happening in every one of our communities. Victims are often hidden in plain sight. They could be working in restaurants, massage parlors, and agricultural fields. Trafficking of minors and adults can include labor, as well as physical and online sexual exploitation. It could even look like someone having to trade sex for basic needs. If someone seems isolated, fearful, or unable to speak freely, it could be a sign of trafficking. It's not just about movement, it's about control. Trust your instincts. One call can save a life. Together, we can shine a light on the darkness of trafficking. Be aware, speak up, save lives. Healing and lasting freedom are possible after trafficking, and every survivor deserves support to reclaim and rebuild their life. Awareness is the first step. Learn more at safetycompass.org.